All right, so I have my finished product here, my keychain. I'm really proud of it. I'm really excited about it, and I want to export it. We have to make this into an STL file, otherwise my 3D printers won't recognize it. So up here at the top left, we will see the File button. If we click on that, we need to export this as a CAD format. We'll click on the CAD and make sure you find where to save it here. We'll just make a new folder here, and we'll call it Batman Keychain. We'll click on that, and we'll save this as Keychain. In the folder, make sure you see where you're saving it. And here at the dropdown, you'll see Save as a type. Find the STL file and hit Save. Now you should have a STL file saved onto your computer on your profile. So we need to go to Canvas and upload that. All right, so once you navigate to your Canvas, you should see a page that looks like this. We're just going to go up to our Modules button here, or you can click on Assignments. Both will get you there. And we're clicking on Keychain. So up here, we're going to submit our assignment. We're going to click on this rocket and find our Batman keychain. Here I have the STL file. You'll know it's the STL file because you'll see a blue square that says C on it. Hit open and click on submit assignment. Now you can add a comment to it, and this is where you tell me what color you want your keychain to be. I will have a list of 5 to 6 different colors depending on how many 3D printers are up and running, and you just type in your #1 preferred color. We'll just say I want red, and then your second choice if the red isn't available. I want silver. Send that comment to me, and I will try to print out your priority first, and if that's not available, then I will do your backup choice. And there you go. You have submitted your keychain, and I'll let you know when your keychain has been finished printing. I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, again, you can ask me, one of your neighbors. You can re-watch this YouTube video or do research on the internet. There's a lot of different resources available. I know this stuff is pretty complicated, but I believe in you guys. I know you can do it.